Introducing the 2026 Prevost Liberty Motorhome, the ultimate in mobile luxury. This floating palace's aerodynamic, streamlined exterior and large panoramic windows provide a striking impression. It is based on the renowned Prevost chassis, which is renowned for its strength, toughness, and exceptionally smooth ride. A strong Volvo D13 engine and Allison transmission underpin that sophisticated look, providing the type of dependability and performance you would anticipate from a car of this size. When parked, this coach becomes a genuinely spacious living area thanks to the triple slide-out sections that enlarge the internal space at the press of a button and the integrated construction of the Prevost platform, which guarantees a peaceful ride. When you enter the cockpit, you are met with a command center that is both opulent and easy to use. Cluttered dials and buttons are a thing of the past. With its large, integrated touchscreen display and cutting-edge digital instrument cluster at its core, the dashboard is a modern design marvel. The sophisticated smart home management system is located here, giving you complete control over all of the motorhome's features, including lighting, entertainment, security, and climate. The driver's experience is both high-tech and stress-free thanks to sophisticated safety measures and high-resolution cameras that provide a 360-degree view. Bespoke quality is evident in the main living area. The best handcrafted materials are all around you as soon as you enter, from luxurious, designer chairs covered in exquisite leather to heated marble flooring and rich, bespoke wood cabinets. With a spacious sitting room ideal for entertaining or just unwinding, the layout is airy and welcoming. It has an enormous OLED smart TV and a top-of-the-line audio system that are both expertly incorporated into the design. The area can be transformed from a comfortable haven to a bustling social center by customizing the fiber optic ceiling lighting to create the ideal atmosphere for each event. The Master Suite is a personal haven created for the utmost in leisure. The focal point is a king-sized bed with a high-end mattress, encircled by exquisite lighting and beautiful cabinets. To guarantee a clutter-free atmosphere, there are plenty of closets and storage spaces. The placement of a second smart TV is ideal for watching late at night, and the soundproofing makes sure that the outside world never wakes you up. After a long day of travel, you may relax and rejuvenate in this peaceful haven, which is more than simply a bedroom. The bathroom is as luxurious and serene as a 5-star hotel spa. A refreshing sensation is provided by a full-sized shower with a glass enclosure and a rainfall showerhead. Beautiful marble or tile floors, sophisticated fixtures, and a designer sink complete the room. The area is kept tidy and spotless with enough of illumination and creative storage options. A bath-and-a-half layout is also included in some models, giving you and your guests even more privacy and convenience. This is a gourmet culinary workplace on wheels, not simply a kitchen. Residential-grade appliances that belong in a luxury house are installed in the kitchen area. There is a built-in induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a full-size refrigerator and freezer. Beautiful, long-lasting quartz or other high-quality solid surfaces are used to make the counters, and the bespoke cabinetry offers an amazing amount of storage space for all of your cookware and supplies. This area is made for serious cooking, so you can easily make anything from a 5-course dinner to a fast snack.